Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Let's know how to find areas of combinations of plane figures. We know to find the areas of different plane figures separately using the formulas. In our daily life, we come across various interesting designs on floors, doors, windows, table covers, etc., which are made by the combinations of two or more plane figures. While finding the areas of these designs made of plane figures, we find the areas of plane figures separately. Let's illustrate the process of finding the areas of combinations of plane figures in these designs through some examples. Example 1. A portion of a park is in the shape of an equilateral triangle ABC of side 10 meter. A central region DEF, which is shaded in the picture, is left in it for planting flowering plants. This shaded region is made by drawing the arcs taking the vertices A, B and C to intersect the sides BC, CA and AB at their respective midpoints DE and F. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.73. Let's solve this question. Area of the shaded region is equal to area of the equilateral triangle of side 10 meter minus sum of the areas of the three sectors of equal radii 5 meter and angle of sector 60 degree. Let's first find the area of the equilateral triangle. Area of the equilateral triangle ABC of side 10 meter is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. This is the formula for the area of an equilateral triangle. That equal to root 3 upon 4 into 10 meter square. Root 3 given as 1.73. So that equal to 1.73 upon 4 into 100 meter square. That equal to 173 by 4 meter square. That equal to 43.25 meter square. Now let's find the areas of these three sectors. Sum of the areas of these three sectors of equal radii is equal to 3 into 60 upon 360 into pi into 5 square meter square. On simplifying, we get half into pi into 25 meter square. That equal to half pi, it is given as 3.14. So half into 3.14 into 25 meter square. That equal to 78.5 by 2 meter square. That equal to 39.25 meter square. Hence, the area of the shaded region is equal to area of the equilateral triangle minus sum of the areas of three sectors, that equal to 43.25 meter square minus 39.25 meter square, that equal to 4 meter square. That's your answer. Example 2. A design is made in a circular table cover of diameter 64 cm, leaving an equilateral triangle in the middle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the design. Use pi equal to 3.14 and root 3 equal to 1.73. Let's solve this question. Let O be the center of the circular table cover and ABC be the equilateral triangle. Then radius of the circular table cover OB equal to OC, that equal to half of 64 centimeter, that equal to 32 centimeter. Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, its angle A is equal to 60 degree, because each angle of an equilateral triangle is of 60 degree. Then angle BOC equal to twice of angle A, that equal to 120 degree. Because we know that angle made by an arc at the center of a circle is double that made at any part of the circle. Draw the perpendicular OP on BC. Then angle BOP, that equal to angle COP, that equal to 60 degree. Now in the right triangle BPO, right angled at P, we have sin 60 degree, that equal to BP upon OB. That implies that root 3 by 2, because we know that sin 60 degree equal to root 3 by 2. So that equal to BP upon OB. That implies that root 3 by 2 equal to BP by 32 centimeter. That implies that BP equal to 16 root 3 centimeter. That implies that BC equal to 2 BP, that equal to 32 root 3 centimeter. BC equal to 2 BP is due to the fact that in the isosceles triangle BOC, perpendicular OP bisects the base BC. Thus in the triangle ABC, AB equal to BC equal to CA, that equal to 32 root 3 centimeter. Now area of the design of the table cover is equal to area of the circle of radius 32 centimeter minus area of the equilateral triangle of side 32 root 3 centimeter. Using the formulas we can find the areas of these plane figures separately. So we get pi into 32 centimeter whole square minus root 3 by 4 into 32 root 3 centimeter whole square, that equal to pi equal to 3.14 given. So 3.14 into 1024 centimeter square minus root 3 equal to 1.73 given. So 1.73 by 4 into 3072 centimeter square, that equal to 3215.36 centimeter square minus 1328.64 centimeter square. On simplifying, we get 1886.72 centimeter square. That's your answer. Example 3. A doorway is decorated as shown in the figure, where the centers of three equal semicircles lie on the diameter BC of length 84 cm of a bigger semicircle. If ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC and O is the midpoint of BC, find the area of the shaded region of the combination of these plane shapes. Let's solve this question. In the given figure, ABC is an isosceles right triangle right angled at A with AB equal to AC. Angle A is right angle because angle in the semicircle is a right angle. Now, using the Pythagoras theorem, in the right triangle ABC, right angled at A, we have AB square plus AC square, that equal to BC square. That implies that AB square plus AB square equal to BC square, because it is given that AB equal to AC. That implies that 2AB square equal to 84 centimeter whole square. It is also given that BC equal to 84 centimeter. That implies that 2AB square equal to 42 into 2 whole square centimeter square. That implies that AB equal to whole square root of 42 into 2 into 42 into 2 upon 2 centimeter, that equal to square root of 42 into 42 into 2 centimeter. That implies that AB equal to 42 root 2 centimeter, and that implies that AB equal to AC equal to 42 root 2 centimeter. Since it's given that the centers of three equal semicircles lie on the diameter BC of the bigger semicircle, we have diameter of each of the three small semicircles is equal to 1/3 of BC, that equal to 1/3 into 84 centimeter. On simplifying, we get 28 centimeter. So radius of a smaller semicircle equal to half of 28 centimeter, that equal to 14 centimeter. Now let's calculate the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region of the combination of these plane figures is equal to area of the bigger semicircle of radius 42 centimeter minus area of the isosceles right triangle ABC with AB equal to AC, that equal to 42 root 2 centimeter plus sum of areas of 3 equal smaller semicircles, each of radius 14 centimeter. Using the formulas, let us find the areas of these plane figures separately. Then we shall calculate the area of the shaded region. Now we have half into pi into 42 square centimeter square. This gives the area of the bigger semicircle minus half into 42 root 2 into 42 root 2 centimeter square. This gives the area of the isosceles right triangle plus 3 into half into pi into 14 square centimeter square. This gives the sum of the areas of 3 equal smaller semicircles. Now we get 1 by 2 into 22 upon 7 into 42 centimeter square minus half into 42 into 2 centimeter square plus 3 into half into 22 upon 7 into 14 centimeter square. On simplifying, we get 2772 centimeter square minus 1764 centimeter square plus 924 centimeter square. Simplifying further, we get 1932 centimeter square. That's your answer. Example 4. From a rectangular plywood ABCD of length 28 cm and breadth 14 cm, a design is made by cutting out a quarter circle BEGC and a semicircle AFE as shown in the figure. Calculate the area of the design so formed. Let's solve this question. Since BEGC is a quarter circle, we can say that BC equal to BE because these are radii of the circle. That implies that BC equal to BE equal to 14 centimeter. Since AFE is a semicircle, we can say that AE is its diameter. Also, AE equal to AB minus BE, that equal to 28 centimeter minus 14 centimeter, that equal to 14 centimeter. Thus, AE equal to 14 centimeter. So, radius of the semicircle AFE equal to half into 14 centimeter, that equal to 7 centimeter. Area of the design so formed is equal to area of the rectangle ABCD with length 28 centimeter and breadth 14 centimeter minus area of the quarter circle of radius 14 centimeter minus area of the semicircle of radius 7 centimeter, that equal to 28 into 14 centimeter square minus 1 by 4 into pi into 14 square centimeter square minus 1 by 2 into pi into 7 square centimeter square. On simplification, we get 392 centimeter square minus 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 centimeter square minus 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 centimeter square. Simplifying further, we get 392 centimeter square minus 154 centimeter square minus 77 centimeter square, that equal to 161 centimeter square. That's your answer. I think using these examples you would have understood how to find the areas of combination of plane figures. I think this video would be very useful to you. If you have any queries, please comment in my comment box. Please like and share this video. Also subscribe my channel and hence press the bell icon to get the latest notifications of my videos. Thanks.